Hi, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Carla Jodwin, and today we're going to draw a cosmos bloom. For supplies, I'm using a kneadable eraser, a soft pencil, a fine tip pen. My go-to is the Sakura of America Micron pen in size 02, and I'm drawing on mixed media paper, but feel free to use whatever paper you have on hand. Let's start with a simple framework. Draw a large circle in pencil and then a smaller circle inside it, set a little lower. This will be the center of the flower. Add a long V shape beneath the stem, and from one side of that stem, sketch a small circle to mark where the bud will grow. Inside the smaller center circle, start filling it with lots of tiny little circles drawn with pen. Layer them in until the whole area is covered. Don't worry if they're uneven. That natural variation is what makes this look alive. Around that, add a second ring of circles spaced out just a little more to create a halo around the stamen. Now for the petals. Cosmos petals are long, narrow ray petals with soft, irregular edges. Start with the petals toward the back of the flower. Make them long and slender. As you move toward the front, draw them wider and shorter so they look as though they're curving up toward the center. You can keep the edges simple or add a slight wave and a curved fold to show movement. Next, outline the stem with two close parallel lines running downwards. Leave a small gap on the right side and extend another short stem upward in this gap. At the end, draw a few triangular guard petals pointing upwards, and then a rounded bud inside of them. Add a few more guard petals peeking out behind to enclose the bud. Add a dot near the top of the bud, and then draw some curved lines radiating in toward the dot to suggest the folded petals. Cosmos leaves are very fine and wispy, almost like blades of grass. To keep it simple, sketch a few clusters of curved lines branching out from the stem. For each leaf, draw two lines close together that taper into a soft point. Before inking in the details, gently erase your pencil with a kneadable eraser. This is my favorite kind of eraser because they don't leave behind eraser crumbs and they don't really smudge your pen. Now with your pen, start adding detail. Draw light broken lines on the petals, concentrating them toward the base and letting them fade outwards. Use a really light touch while you draw. This gives the petal depth and a sense of curve. On the bud, add a few subtle curved lines where you'd expect to see shadows, or anywhere there's an overlap or toward the base of the bud. And for the stem, just a few broken lines down the length will add texture without overwhelming it. And that's it, a delicate cosmos bloom complete with bud and leaves. If you'd like to keep drawing, I have a step-by-step PDF, inspiration photos, and other floral drawing goodies available over on my Patreon page. The link is in the description. Thanks so much for drawing along with me. Let me know in the comments what flower you'd like to see next. And until next time, bye-bye.